have all heard this. Smoking is injurious to health. It may be in movie theater or advertisement, or even it's written on a cigarette packets. If you are a smoker, then you would probably know the harmful impact it has on your health. At this point, you will probably be well aware of the fact that smoking leads to heart disease, lung cancer, and other smoking related illnesses. But do you know that smoking not only causes harm to your health but also burns a big hole in your pocket too? Many people quit smoking because their families have asked them to. But one of the major reasons why you should quit smoking is, of course, money. Hi, I'm Namrata Pandey. Welcome to IndianMoney.com, and today through this video we have got you some investment tips, and we'll also tell you how much of money would you be saving by not smoking. You would be surprised to know that about 267 million adults in India, which roughly constitutes to 29% of the total population, are users of tobacco. The total economic cost that is attributed towards tobacco use in India of a person aged 35 and above is rupees 1.7 lakh crore. Now, what if these 267 million users or people had actually invested in some financial instruments rather than spending it on cigarettes? It would have not only helped the person save and grow their wealth, but would have also contributed to the country's economy. Do you know that the cost of 5 cigarettes per day can actually make you save a whopping 1 lakh? Yes, that's correct. If you had instead invested that amount in, say, liquid funds, then you would have saved up to rupees 1 lakh over a period of 3 years. For those who are not aware, liquid funds are debt funds that invest in fixed income securities such as certificates of deposit, treasury bill, commercial papers, and other debt securities that mature within the period of 91 days. Liquid funds do not come with any lock-in period, and here the risk level is also at a lower side. Let's take an example. Say a person aged 25 smokes 10 cigarettes per day at the cost of 13 each. Now this will cost him rupees 130 every day and rupees 3900 per month. Now if we assume that the price of the cigarette will increase at the rate of 10%, then the person would have smoked cigarette worth rupees 1.27 crore by the time he or she turns 60. On the other hand, say the same person at the age of 25 had rather invested that 3900 per month and increased 10% every year, then he or she might have accumulated the corpus of rupees 3.37 crore by the time he or she turns 60. Now again, this is based on the assumption that the person would have invested in a financial institute that would have given him or her the return of 8% over a long-term period. So I hope through this video you have got a fair idea as to how much of money you could have saved, or rather how much of wealth you could have generated by not smoking. For smokers, the cost of both life and health is usually higher than what a non-smoker has to pay. So it is wise to always think where and how you're investing, or rather spending your money. Also, if you're someone who has just started out and you're looking for investments, maybe you want to invest in mutual funds, IPO, PPF, or any other financial instruments, then gain a complete knowledge through our Financial Freedom app. And hurry up and download the app right away. If you like this video or found it little informative, then hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise, break free.